Hello YouTube. Got an oil change on a 2008 Toyota Tundra with a 4.7 today. I've took my cap off, checked my dipstick. Levels are good. I'm gonna go under. Drain pan's pretty easy to find. I got this right at 14 millimeter. Yours could vary based on if you've got a replacement or not. And let her rip. All right, basically drained out here. Got a little trickle. Plug her up. If you watch my other videos, you know I don't have a problem using Fram oil filters. So this Toyota Tundra is going to take a 3614 Fram. Just give it a little snug in here on the drain. Drain my pan. So my oil filter, I'm just gonna, best thing about trucks is, you know, you gotta lower them. How sweet is that? Like fancy little coupler tool here. Might need two hands. Oh, got it loose. Just let them drain. So obviously gasket came off with the filter. You can see clear as day, it's not there. Get just a little bit of oil on this new gasket. Throw them back on. Hand tight, you don't gotta go crazy. Leave my mess up a little bit. And I'm ready to add. And I didn't pay somebody $75 to do this. So now I'm gonna add, and again, to each their own. With the oil filter, the oil. I buy this synthetic blend from Costco, or not Costco, Sam's. I change my oil every 3,000. Some people go farther. Seems to work fine for me. My truck's got 230,000 miles, which I'll do a video of how to do the oil life reset also. So if you want to see that, check it out. If not, I'm going to add it up and wrap this puppy up. All right, so it calls for 6.5 quarts. I've got 6 in, a half waiting to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, give her a check, because I don't want to have to drain any. That's it. Got my extra half in there. I don't know how good this is gonna read in my eyes without a camera. I'm in good condition, so I'm happy with that. I did put the 6 in, let it set a little bit, settle down after I started it up, let all the lights come off the dash, and then just let that oil settle down a little bit, and then get a more accurate dipstick reading. So that's it. That's the oil change on the 2005 Toyota Tundra. Stay tuned for a check engine, or not check engine. Stay tuned for a oil life reset. And then also we're going to be doing the serpentine belt in the next week or so.